Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Sheikh Wasim sir, an assistant teacher of Al Mahmud International School, Nakul. How are you, students? Hope you are well, and I hope you are studying at home. Yes. So, dear students, in last video we understood what is given in this lesson. Lesson number 5. What is the name of the lesson? A present for Jitu. Okay. So, there is a postman who knocks on the door of Jitu's house. Okay. So, first of all, how many characters are there in this lesson? Yes, there are 6 characters. Okay, which are those? Yes, number 1, Jitu, then mother, then father, and Milu, and then Kitu, and postman. Okay, how many? 6 characters. See, so postman knocks on the Jitu's door. Postman knocks on the door of Jitu's house and asks, "Does Jitu Rao live here? I have a packet for him." Then what happened? Jitu Rao comes. Jitu Rao comes out with his father. Okay, and says, "And Jitu." Then postman asks him, "Sign here," and he handovers a packet to Jitu Rao. Then after we saw, he comes to father and ask him, "Please dad, tell me what is in this packet." His father thinks and say, "Maybe it's an elephant." But Jitu did not get satisfaction. So then mother comes and asks him and tells him about the packet. Yes, Jitu asked to his mother, "Mother, please tell me what is in this packet. What is in this packet?" Okay. His mother thinks and say, "Maybe it's a football." But Jitu Rao thinks that it's too long and thin to be a football. Okay. According the father, there is an elephant in this person. According the mother, there is a football. Then Jitu's younger sister. You can see this is Milu. Okay, who is she? Yes, she is Jitu's younger sister. Means choti बहन. She comes and Jitu asks. Jitu tells him, "Yes, no, it's too big to be a pencil case." Okay. Milu says about this person that there may be a pencil case. Okay, but the packet is very big. Okay, but pencil case is very small. So Jitu asked him, "No, it's too big to a to be a pencil case." Okay, then his friend, whose friend? Jitu's friend. What is the name of Jitu's friends? Kitu. Jitu's friends? Kitu. Kitu Kitu asked him, "Maybe it's a flute." Flute means a musical wind instrument. Okay, जिसे हम बांसुरी कहते हैं. Flute means बांसुरी. So then Jitu thinks about it. "No, it's too heavy. Flute is very light in weight." Okay, but the packet is very heavy. So according the Milu, there may be flute. There may be, according to Kitu, what may be there in this packet? Yes, according the Kitu, there may be a flute. But Jitu says her, "No, it's too heavy." Heavy means weighty. Weighty means wazandar. Okay, to be flute. Then Jitu comes to his father and his father told him, open it, let's see what is in this parcel." Let's mean let us see what's in the parcel. Then yes, Jitu opens the packet. Jitu opens the packet. It is a cricket bat. Now after opening the packet, he became happy to see the after seeing the cricket bat. Okay, so there is a cricket bat in the packet. There is a card with it. What is there? There is a cricket bat or card. Okay, what is really there in the parcel? Cricket bat. Okay, with love. What is written on the card? With love to you from your parents. Okay, from your parents means the gift is given by his parents. Okay, now in this picture we can see Jitu, his younger sister Milu, and his mother and fathers all are happy here. All are happy here. Okay, see, it's the best cricket bat in the world. It's the best cricket bat in the world. How is the best? How is the bat in the world? Best, according to Jitu. Okay, and my parents are the best parent in the world. Jitu is telling here, my parents is the best parent in the world. How is the parents according to Jitu? Yes, best parents means बेहतरीन सबसे अच्छे parents हैं. Got it? So dear students, in this way you have to read this lesson and understand and solve this exercise. Okay, what is given in this exercise? See, answer the questions. Answer the question using a word or phrase. Okay, using a word or phrase. Yes, question number 1. See, who comes to Jitu's house? Who comes to Jitu's house? Yes, I hope most of students will be answering. Yes, who comes? कौन आता है जीतू के घर पे? A postman. Answer will be a postman. Question number B. What does he bring? What does he bring? Yes, answer a packet. Number C. What does that thing is in the parcel? Yes, what does think? What does think? What does that thing is in the parcel? Yes, what does that thing is in the parcel? Yes, an elephant. An elephant. What will be the answer? An elephant. Then question number D. What does Milu think is in it? What does Milu think is in it? Yes, Milu think. Yes, what does Milu think is in it? Yes, you can see. Yes, you can see here. Milu is thinking about the person. Maybe it's a pencil case. Okay, maybe it's a pencil case. Okay, this is Milu. And question is there. What is? Yes, what is Milu? What does Milu think is in it? Okay, what will be the answer? A pencil case. Number E. What is really there in the parcel? What is really there in the parcel? Yes, what is really in the parcel? Answer will be a cricket bat. A cricket bat. Good. Question number then. Fill in the blanks below. Fill in the blanks below. See. Number 1. Yes, it's to an elephant. It's to an elephant. It's not an elephant. Number 1. Okay. It's not an elephant. It's too small. So you have to fill in the blanks below. Okay, like this. One has been done for you. Too small. Too small. Okay. It's not an elephant. It's too small. Okay. It's not a football. It's too. What will be the answer? It's too long. It's too. It's too long. Long, long and thin. Long and thin. What will be the answer? Long and thin. Okay. C. Number C. It's not a pencil case. It's not a pencil case. It's too big because pencil case is very small and the packet is very big. B-I-G, big. It's too big. So you have to write there. It's too big. Then number D. It's not a flute. It's too. It's too heavy because flute is very light in weight. Okay. Heavy. Heavy. Okay. See. number 3. Question number 3. What is question number 3? Do Jitu's mother and father know what is in the parcel? How do you know? Okay. Does Jitu does Jitu's mother and father know what is in the parcel? How do you know? Yes. I hope most of students will be answering yes. Jitu's parents knew what was in the packet because they bought for Jitu. They bought for Jitu. उन्हीं ने जो है जीतू के लिए खरीदा था. ओके इसलिए उन्हें पता था कि पैकेट में क्या है. बट दे वांट टू गिव सरप्राइज जीतू. ओके सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4? Yes, question number 4. Jitu is a lucky boy. Jitu is a lucky boy. His father buys him a cricket bat. Okay. Suppose you don't have much money to buy a present for your friend. So you think of making something for her or him from groups of your 4-5 students and think of something that you can make for a friend. So here in fourth question you have to think what you have to do. What can you do to your friend who cannot buy a present? Okay, so what can you do? Yes, you can collect money, you can ask to your father, and you can ask to your teacher. Okay, etc. Maybe different answer will be there. Okay, number 5. Jitu and Kitu are friends. Jitu and Kitu are friends. They play together. They play together in the playground. But they do not play with Tina. They do not play with Tina, who is their classmate. Tina is new to the school and feels lonely. Do you think Jitu and Kitu should play with Tina? Yes. The question is, do you think? क्या आप सोचते हो? Jitu and Kitu should play with Tina? Yes. Tina is new. Tina is new to the school and feels lonely. So should they play? Yes. I hope most of students will be answering yes. Jitu and Kitu should play with Tina because she is feeling lonely. Okay. So they should make her happy by playing with her. Okay, got it? So dear students, up to 5 question you have to solve in your book number 1. Okay, in next video we will solve next exercise. Got it? Dear parents, please help your watch to complete exercises. Okay, in book number 1. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.